So okay guys, today's video is going to be more or less a guide than a tutorial, so with that said, just sit back, relax, and don't worry, I will be making a proper guide or tutorial in the future, but for now I'm just going to explain the bare bones basics for how this all works. Now essentially what I did was I took apart an LCD monitor, making sure not to break the LCD and the components inside. Now from there on, I basically just took the driver board for the LCD, cut it free from the power supply unit that was in the monitor, and then I just powered the driver board via the computer's own power supply. Now before you ask, these driver boards mostly run off 5 volts. That's all you need to run the LCD panel, especially with these older ones. So essentially just hooking it up to the 5 volt rail of the PSU in the computer is enough to power it. It doesn't need more than just a few amps, so that should work. You can even actually plug it in to a USB port if you do a double-sided USB port or plug it into a USB 3.0 port. But yeah, with that said, once I got it apart, hooked it up, made sure it all worked, I made a side panel, and then I hooked it to the side panel, then I spray painted what I didn't want to be seen, and then I hooked it to the PC's case. From there, I bought an adapter so that I can plug the VGA end of this driver board into my graphics card's DVI slot. Now, before someone says it, I know I could have probably done mini display port or the display port out to VGA, then I wouldn't have had to cut the PCI slot on my case. But since I've already ordered the cord, I just decided to cut the PCI slot a little bit so that I could fit the cord in fine and plug it all up. And basically from there, we're done. I hooked it up, fired up wallpaper engine, and I loaded a few videos which you guys will be hopefully seeing now. Now with that said, this project isn't perfect, I'm still working on it, and I'm still planning on doing some further changes, such as getting rid of the duct tape and using packing tape or hot glue to secure the panel to the plexiglass. But yeah, for now, it all works, and with that said, hopefully some of these videos here at the end will give you guys an idea as to what all you can do with an LCD transparent side panel on your computer case. So yeah, for now, I'm going to leave this off here and let the video play. DZBK, signing off. Peace. This whole motherboard and CPU combo I got out of an old system that may have already been over. You do not want to keep the batteries in the battery holder if you're powering it via the